Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. Today we are unboxing a new truck here. We've been we've had our eyes kind of curiously on this one for a while. It is the Baseltek NX2. Very similar to the Helion Conquest MT XLR, and also the what is it called, the HSP Grampus or Krampus. I'm not sure what it's. I've heard it referenced as both here. So this one really piqued our interest because it goes for about $110 normally, on from a company called Monoprice. And actually went on sale here for $79.99. So $80 for a brushless 2-wheel drive 1/10 scale truck here, which is pretty amazing in terms of hopefully value. It comes in this outer box here. I'm gonna pull out the inner one. Just gonna probably have to put this on the floor here. But when you compare it to other brushless 1/10 scale vehicles, you're usually looking at 200 plus, right? 200 and probably getting close to the 300 range here. So when we saw this, looks like interesting. They've got a couple of the pictures here of the different types of 2-wheel drives. But it came in pretty good condition here. Just going to cut this box open. So again, kind of the beauty of this is that it appears to be the same exact truck as, I shouldn't say same exact, but share a lot of parts with the Helion Invictus, or why do I keep saying that, Conquest. Oh wow, and it even has the, see, what you tell me, is that Grampus or Krampus? Regardless, it even comes with these HSP stickers. So it comes pretty nicely packaged here. Let's see how this comes together. This box probably comes out here. All right. Got the transmitter and everything. And how do we get this truck out? I think I'm just going to slide this whole thing out. All right. So the manuals here, everything. We'll put this larger box off to the side. And this is just, looks like there's some grease on that even. We've got all the manuals here. Looks like a FlySky radio. Parts list and everything. Actually, even on the ECX forums, there was a guy that had mentioned getting to the Conquests for free, and so they were fun to drive, but the steering feel felt a little vague. The tires weren't the best. Oh, there is no foam in these tires. I guess for $80 or usually $100 or something bucks, what can you expect? Yeah, these tires are probably not going to be good for much. except for maybe running at the beach or something. But we'll leave those on for some initial testing. This looks like, you know, the same size as your Stampede here, roughly. We'll take off the body pins here. Alright. And pretty cool. It actually comes with a lipo. What is this here? It's a soft case. That's novel for a $80 RC here. There's a foam block holding this in. Looks like a pretty small. Looks like that block is glued in there. So we might have to pull that out to throw in some bigger batteries, but it is, oh wow, there is all sorts of grease on my hand here. I don't even know where that came from. The wheels, when I was squeezing them, I'm not sure where all this grease came from. But that made kind of a mess there. But it comes with a 2500 milliamp hour soft pack lipo. This looks pretty small here, but surprisingly energy dense. Yeah, not your average sized 2S lipo, but the body can fit one. So pretty cool. Here is the transmitter and whatnot. Get this cut open here. Get this grease off my hands. Got a wall charger for that lipo. We'll go ahead and pass on that and throw it on our Venom charger there. Got the Fly Sky radio here. Looks like a, you know, supposedly good thing about these HSPs is at least they come with some hobby wing. Oh, there is grease all over this. That's where it came from grabbing the chassis. I'm not sure why they just liberally coated everything in grease. But we'll go ahead and wipe that off, clean it off. I was kind of curious about the radio here, and I'm going to wipe off my hands here. Because I remember seeing on the description of the radio that it took 8 AA batteries, and that's a huge no-no, but hopefully, oh, it does require 8. Wow, so that's a reason, that's a con. We'll see if we can actually bind this with our Fly Sky GT3B and just kind of ditch this completely. So, let you guys know how that goes. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.